Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you methods of analysis, that is ways in which we can analyze our currency pair and then venture into a trade. Stay right here. I will be right back.
Become a Profitable Trader Academy.
Alright, so real quick, I'm actually going to be performing an analysis on this particular currency pair, on this in this particular market trend. And I just want you to pay close attention to this video and ensure you watch from the beginning right to the end of this video, so you would understand everything that is being done as regarding the analysis of this particular um, you know market. Is actually gold. We are analyzing gold, as you can see right here. So pretty much this is it. So I'm actually going to be identifying my demand zones, and I'm also going to be indicating all of my demand zones. But let me also say this real quick. When we talk about demand zones, we're talking about point of origin of that particular trend, with respect to time. Yes, that's what it means. So most times price tends to retrace and revisit that particular demand zone, and then pull through again. So in most of the cases, couple of demand zones are being retested by price action, and then there is this either bullish or bearish movement in that regard. And in to this particular video, we've been able to go through the trend for the day, and it actually shows that we're having a bullish trend for the day. So in this case, we're actually just going to be setting our parameters whilst we wait for the market to retrace back to hit our target, and then or our virtuous various opportunities, and then we are going to be able to stake our trade. But meanwhile, let's just go ahead and define some certain parameters. As you can see, I'm just going to do this real quick. So this you have to actually wait for the opportunity, which is what I'm doing now. So let me leave it here. Okay, so real quick, um like you can see, price has to retrace down to this demand zone where you are going to be having, where you are having wait for your opportunity. So what we are looking at for is price to retrace back to that level, and then it's going to be a big bullish for us. So we're going to be entering the trade right there. And another thing I also want to let us know is that in waiting for price action to be able to retrace down to that particular opportunity level, which in this case tends to be our demand zone, you find out that that particular trend, or this particular trend, has couples of liquidity, as you can see right here. And of course, we're not forgetting our fair value gap, as you can see right here. So pretty much quick, we're actually going to be patient with the market, because as a forex trader, you need to be very patient with the market so that you don't tend to make mistake and you don't follow the market. You only analyze and set your trap and wait for the market to come back to your level, and then it becomes a big pull for you, as you would be making a very wonderful one right there. So pretty much that's just what we are actually looking at there with gold, as we make our analysis and analyze this the trend, as you can see right there. So pretty much this is it. Remember, you need to fix in your stop losses and your take profits, and I'm actually going to be doing my EPs, which is your entry level, your entry point on 790. So these are the parameter specifications that you need to consider. So we'll do all of these, and whilst we wait for the market to hit there, and then we pull through, as you can see right here. So I'm just setting up my, let me create some space so that at least it will be able to, I'll be able to see. Now another thing I want to reiterate is that you should also take note of your fair value gap, and also look at the confirmation price action that will bring about, or that will sponsor your entry in the market. As you can see right here, we have a confirmation price action. You've seen that the price that particular price action have has already uh, cut across the initial Q zone. So at this point, the price had to give us a change of character with respect to the fair value gap that is right there. And as you can see, let me remove this so you see clearly. So as you can see right here, the price has taken off. So in this case now, this you have to I entered the trade right here. That's where I entered the trade. Immediately I saw that confirmation candle, and boom, you could see how you can see what we're talking about here. Let me modify this so you understand what I mean. Now this was this change of character, and as you can see right here, boom, is a one moving is a strong bullish move, a very strong bullish move. So we keep it moving, and then in this case you could see there are a couple of liquidity, couple of tracing, and the rest of that. As a day trader, you have to be very disciplined. Most times when all of this comes forth, you have to still be in the market, because you it will be to your greatest amazement what price action is going to do from this level as it continues is bullish trend, as you can see right here. So pretty much this is just it. As you can see, we are moving straight up to take profit. As you can see, although normally you still have one or two exceptional uh, behavior when it comes to price action. Don't be dismayed, because it will still take us to that price, to our TP. So we just keep waiting for the market. So if you're actually drawing value from this video, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you will be notified whenever it is we drop a new video of such, for you to help your entire trading process, and then make you a profitable trader as the case is. Don't forget to also be part of our community if you want to. The links are right in the description, so you could do it to be part of our community, or you want to be part of our one-on-one mentorship class. We have all the links right at the description below. So pretty much that's going to be that for that. So we just wait for our price action to perform its due diligence, and that's going to be a big one for us, as you can see right here. All right, so pretty much this is it. This is, you could this particular chat was actually pasted in our telegram channel. You could go ahead and join our telegram channel. Links are all right in the description. You can also join our telegram channel, so you could take your time to study this particular analysis, so that you can also replicate it whenever you're doing any your as a day trader, when you're doing yours as well. So pretty much this is just it. We just wait for price action. Now in most of the case, what makes one a profitable or a successful trader, day trader, is not the number of trades you take, or it's not the number of losses you get, or the number of analysis you're able to do. What makes you a profitable trader is the amount of profit you're able to get, regardless of the market uh, trend at the time. So let's assume you are a market is having a bullish trend, and you're making profit, and all of a sudden there's a retracement that takes you back to the point of entry, to your entry point, that's to the point of demand zone or origin. At that point you have loosed, and then the price action tends to venture into your stop losses. Now in cases like that, if your ability to be able to make use of your stop losses accurately, that's what also make you a profitable trader, because whether you like it or not, you'll be able to move, you will be able to protect your funds, or whatsoever the case is. But in most of the cases, there's the possibility that you can end up not even making any losses. It's very possible. Now, the only way that is possible is for you as a day trader, to be able to deal with your pride level and your greed level. Yes, as a greedy person, you can't really be a full profitable trader when it comes to the forex market. Yes, you have to be able to curve all of these. Now, you necessarily don't need to make the entire profit, but you can make little profit and keep that consistency on, and it becomes a big one and a big win for you. So pretty much I'm going to be ending this trade here. For those who are on the trade, still hold the trade, because it's going to be a plus on the TP. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you will be notified whenever it is we bring another video to help your entire training process.